What's up, guys? It's your boy Chris, aka The Real Chris, back with a video. Trying to do some vlogging. Anyways, today we've got a lot of shit going on, guys. Hope everybody had a good day so far. Good week. Excuse the noise in the background. My kids got a little birthday party going on. There's a lot of shit going on, but I'm out here. But yes, hope everybody had a good week and a good start to the weekend. I'm outside. Beautiful sky. Blue skies. But yeah, man. That's what we're doing today. Not much going on. Can't wait for tomorrow, the football, NFL. Get my fantasy team, see who's winning and shit. But yeah. Decided to come on here and holler at you guys for a second. Right? By the way, before you go any further, like, comment, subscribe, hit the post notification. Make sure you do that. It's free to subscribe. Anybody can subscribe. Alright? Just want to come on here and thank you guys for all the support. Big things coming in the future. Just keep an eye out for me. Keep subscribing, keep watching my videos. Comments, no negative comments, all positive comments. Alright?